Hi, my name is Maurice Barker. I'm from South Africa. I'm 34 years old, married. I have a 6-year-old daughter. I'm a South African qualified electrician with more than 13 years of experience in the industry. I have a wide variety of electrical experience in industrial, construction, and residential areas. We have rewired homes. On the construction side, I was the foreman of five of MTN's biggest hub sites in South Africa that we built from the ground up, from the tubing, piping, conduits, trunking, power boards, wiring, lights, plugs. Um, there's a lot of things we did on those sites. In the industrial areas, we have also wired, maintained big companies and the equipment, the electrical equipment. I also have experience in high voltage transformers, switchgear, high voltage terminations and joints on cables, PEX cables, and lead core cables. On the aspect of what I'm better or the best at, on the installations, maintenance, commissioning, and fault finding. With the more than 13 years of experience I had to do with all of those things a lot. Installations, maintenance, commissioning, fault finding. We did a lot of all of those those aspects. So I can't say what I'm the best in. I did a lot of maintenance work. Did a lot of fault finding. We did commissioning on solar farms where we worked at, solar plants, transformer and inverter installations, connections. On maintenance, we maintain buildings, residential buildings, also on commercial buildings as well, maintaining the power boards and cabling installations, new installations. Um, yeah, so on all four of those aspects, I have quite a lot of experience on. In regards with the role in FIFO, I would like to apply for, why I like it, or why I see myself doing FIFO. Um, I think any electrician role on the FIFO platform will be great. I'm very capable of doing a wide variety of things. I'm very adaptive to my environment. Also, I'm used to working long hours. We work between 9 and 12 hours per day. Um, where I'm currently at, and so yeah, the hours won't be a problem. And I think the roster works quite well, especially if you have 1 week off with the family, so you can do personal things, trips, and spend some quality time instead of just only weekends. And I think that'll be a great advantage for my family.